What's up, everybody? It's been a long time. It's Will here again with another episode of Will Young Outdoors. Today we are just doing a little trail walking along this river here. We're going to check out these waterfalls. As you can see, there's lots of snow. Jeremy's here, and we're just going to have some fun today. So hope you enjoy, and hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and check it out. You can't really see the snow coming down. It's snowing pretty good. You even trying to break the ice off?
Got it.
Alright, what are you gonna do with it? Bust it. That's where the river comes down and goes down this way, goes through there and over the falls. I don't see any fish in here. I guess there wouldn't be any. They'd be all down over the falls. Now where we're going? Where? Back where? Back up the hill? See if we can make out this one without falling down. Everything is covered in snow. Last time you saw us, I think it was summer still, or fall. We haven't really got into winter yet. It's been a while since we made a video. Been doing some other things. Actually had a bit of a surgery, recovered from that, so feeling good now. Ooh, yeah, be careful here, it's slippery. Look at the snow. Whoa, don't lose it. We can go down on this side, don't go down there. That water's moving pretty good. Don't want to get washed down there. Got a wire coming down here. Everything's covered in ice and snow. Okay, let's go back up the hill. Look for the big waterfall. See if you can make it up this steep hill. It looks like a lot of people have slipped coming down here. And I'm probably gonna do the same thing. Oh, this is gonna be rough. You make it? All right. Can you make it? Whoa. Perfect. Good job. Oh. Oh. Nope. Nope. Oh, there we go. Ooh, looking down there. Trail goes right along the river here. Pretty steep hill down there. Where's the waterfall?
Down here?
Yeah, haven't got there yet. It's gonna be awesome. Look at what we got here. Okay, you stay right there. Don't go any closer. Stay there. That would ruin your day. Fall down there. Woo! Look at that beauty waterfall. That looks awesome. Everything's covered in snow around it. We're going to try and get down here a little more. Jump it! Oh, I thought you were going to try and actually jump it. Try and jump everything else.
I could not jump.
Oh, trees down everywhere here. See if we can get a good view. Big valley down here. Without falling down. Oh, that's probably about, I'd say 100 feet down where the water is down here.
How do we get back there?
Well, guys, that's gonna wrap it for us today. Whoa, I almost just ate it. Just a short little update video. We haven't made anything in a long time, so I thought I'd bring you something anyways. See what we go through in the winter time here. Hopefully we do some ice fishing soon. Get some of those videos going, and yeah, we'll see what else we can come up with this winter. I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for coming along.